Hello everyone, Jon Markee here, your Builder CPA, and today I've got a story for you, so pull up a chair. Today's story, the tale of duplicate payments and disorganized systems. I've seen duplicate payments way more in my life than I ever care to. Bob, the bad builder, runs his home building company with little attention to his accounts payable process. One person on his team handles credit card payments while another manages checks, but there's no system in place to ensure that they don't accidentally pay the same bill twice. Meanwhile, Sammie the Star has established clear, well-documented financial controls that prevent any confusion or duplication when it comes to paying her vendors and subcontractors. How hard can it be, right? Don't pay the same person twice. One day, Bob's subcontractor receives two payments for the same bill, one from a corporate credit card and another in the form of a mailed check. This contractor doesn't realize the error and accepts both payments, happy to get the extra cash flow. Meanwhile, Bob's accounts start to show a strange imbalance. Weeks go by before Bob notices the error, and by then, the subcontractor is unreachable and the money is gone. Even worse, this isn't the first time this has happened, and Bob's business has lost thousands of dollars due to duplicate payments that slip through the cracks. On the other hand, Sammie's home building business runs like clockwork. Her financial team has a clear process. They know who handles payments, how and when they're made, and which method is used. Everything is tracked in a shared system, so there are no surprises. Before anyone can process a payment, they check the system to see if the invoice has already been settled. Credit card payments and checks are never mixed up. Even on the rare occasion that an error occurs, it's caught immediately because of the safeguards Sammie's team has in place. Sometimes when Bob double pays a vendor, they return the extra payment, but other times vendors don't say a word, often because their own finances are a mess, and in fact, many of the subcontractors Bob works with don't even realize they've been double paid. This lack of oversight on both sides only exacerbates the financial strain on Bob's business. In contrast, Sammie's vendors are accustomed to her clear communication and payment schedule. They rarely see errors, and when something goes wrong, Sammie's team quickly resolves it with minimal hassle. Bob's disorganized payment process not only causes financial losses, but also creates unnecessary stress for his team and his business. He's constantly trying to patch up problems and track down missing funds. Sammie, however, she runs a tight ship. Her well-structured financial controls ensure payments are accurate, vendors are happy, and there's never any confusion about who paid what. Sammie proves that with the right system in place, one that is simple, well-documented, and based on strong concepts, not necessarily procedures alone, you can avoid the pitfalls of duplicate payments and maintain a healthy, thriving business. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.